India Safe Education Committee haka arpartarek ujamang arhajar pesan kala pelaj pa ya ka draft People's Education Policy haka jingalang kala long a Shillong Press Club da ka penpau ba National Education Policy arhajar arpau bala wanra da sarkar pedeng ka long ka klem da ya selok ya ki sarkar jilla haka shina ya ka policy ya ki pa ya ki kenhun ba pher ka jingkarwa jang ka All India Safe Education Committee ya ka draft People's Education Policy sya ka sarkar pedeng ya ki jingai jingmut ka long ban penjanai ban penbha ya ka puli ka puthi hakari India barok away
social disparities so that we can promote education and ensure that it reaches to the marginalized sections. It also talks about, you can say, centralization of education should stop and then the education here, the state should have.
The assistant professor from St. Anthony's College. As a convener of the All India Safe Education Committee, the Meghalaya chapter, I welcome you all, the member of the press, the esteemed personalities on the dais. In today's program, the All India Safe Education Committee will be releasing this draft People's Education Policy as an alternative to the NEP 2020. And as we know, that the union government, which was in power in the year 2020, adopted the National Education Policy 2020 at the time of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Before, where the leaders from the national level and also the leaders from Assam's state chapter, they came to visit our state and tried to get some people where the state chapter can be formed as part of the All India movement against the commercialization of education in India, commercialization and all the related problems associated with the NEP. Ultimately, we had a series of informal consultations with the like-minded people who are interested in in saving the education in the country, and we are very happy that after a series of meetings with different people, we were able to form the state Meghalaya chapter of the All India Safe Education Committee, and we formed it on the 30th April 2025. And in fact, this All India Safe Education Committee Meghalaya chapter, just like all the chapters that are in different states of India, is a non-political organization. Maybe you see me being part of a political party, but I'm telling that this All India Safe Education Committee is purely a non-political organization where we open the membership to all the people who are interested in the field of education, who are interested to improve upon education in the country, be it the intellectuals, educationists, teachers, students, research scholars, concerned citizens, and also even the journalists also. If we have the concern and if we have the aspiration to ensure that India has a universal, democratic, secular and scientific education, we welcome each and every one to join this movement to save education in the country from being hijacked by someone or by some forces who are not interested in universalization, in democratization, in the secular character and scientific character of education. Therefore, the All India Safe Education Committee